are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.